May oras pa para lutuin ang blueberry muffin with lemon zest. Very soft and fluffy. Let's get started! Sa isang bowl, mag-beat ng eggs, milk, plain yogurt, lemon juice, lemon zest, and sugar. Mix lang natin until sugar is dissolved. Sa isang bowl, mag-sift tayo ng flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Mix natin, then ilagay gradually ang wet mixture sa dry ingredients. Mix natin until just combined, pero do not overmix. Ilagay na ang blueberry filling sa butter, gentle fold and mix lang natin. And pagkatapos, ilagay na sa muffin pan with muffin cups. 3/4 full lang as it will expand when baking. Optional na lagyan ng fresh blueberries on top. I-bake sa 200 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, luto na. May pang-dessert na tayo for Christmas na masarap kasi lutong bahay. Kainan na!